Welcome to lesson 16. In this lesson, we will create the business logic layer, also known as the BLL. This layer contains the rules, validations, and processing logic that control how your application behaves. The business logic layer sits between the user interface and the data layer. It contains the rules that define how your system should behave. It validates data, coordinates database operations, and ensures that the application follows the correct workflow. The BLL is important because it centralizes your application's logic. Instead of repeating code across multiple pages, you place all processing rules in one location. This improves maintainability and keeps your architecture clean. To create the BLL, start by adding a new class library project named Business Logic Layer. Then add references to your entity classes and database connection class so the BLL can access both. A typical BLL class includes methods such as insert, update, delete, get all, and get by ID. You may also include validation methods to ensure data is correct before sending it to the database. For example, the teacher BLL class may include methods like validate teacher, save teacher, delete teacher, get teachers, and get teacher by ID. These methods ensure that teacher data is processed correctly before interacting with the database. When building your BLL, keep it independent of the UI. Validate all inputs before sending them to the database. Avoid writing SQL directly in the BLL that belongs in the data layer. And always use clear, meaningful method names. In summary, the business logic layer handles all processing rules and connects the UI with the data layer. It improves your project structure and makes your application easier to maintain. If you have questions about designing or structuring your BLL, let us go through them now.